Please like and subscribe.
It's got this Reolink Doorbell. We're going to install it. Yay. I carefully opened it. This tape is apparently stronger than life. I already got the app. Oh my god. This thing does not want to open. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Okay, there we go. So it's got some fucking super tight things in here. Warm tips. Okay. Quick start guide. Operational instructions. Alright, I'm gonna read these. But first, let's take a look at these bad boys. Oh. Ah. This packaging, man, I swear to God. Oh, it's for the doorbell, the ringer. There's everything else. Power plug. Is this for the PoE? Oh no. Oh, yeah. This is not what I ordered. It's not what I ordered. Okay. That's not what I ordered, I think. Okay, it is, because the power is wired through here. So I can just put the power there, memory card there. If I had LAN, I could do LAN, but I don't have LAN up there. Alright, let's get this bad boy going. I'll read the instructions real quick. So the first thing we gotta do to set this up is scan this thing on the app. And get that going. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, but it's okay. That's what you gotta do first. First thing I'm gonna do is get these two wires and tie them together with these. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wire them up to the new one to go from there. This one already has the mounts in the wall, and we'll go from there because I don't have all this extra bulky stuff, and I don't know if I'll have space to hide it. I'll see. I'm gonna finish taking this off and tape off one of these ends because I don't want it to short. So I'm going to take that off and tape them real quick. Then I'm going to finish taking this off here and then start putting the template on there. So the original two holes over here were too little for this frame, so I ended up using the top one and then going higher, so that way the view will be higher up. So when somebody pushes the button, it'll be higher up, so it's like kind of chest level recording instead of down here. So I'm doing that now. I have to drill through this thing over here. Okay, finished drilling that hole. I'm gonna finish hammering this in. Then I'm gonna get the extension wires to make this longer. And the kit has space so I can hide it behind here. So I'm about to do that now. Alright, I'm gonna tie these together and then twist them together. Can't do it right now because I'm holding the phone, so. See, I got a nice little extension. That'll reach anywhere. I'm gonna do that for the next one too. Now that I'm done with those wires, I'm gonna put the memory card in here. Alright, got the wires through. Got that. I'm gonna have to do something about that. But at least, I don't know, I'll probably just put some kind of epoxy or something on there, but I have to do it like that. So this goes next. The screws go there and there. And this goes up, the blue part. See how that's gonna go. Yeah, like that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Alrighty then. And these go through the middle. Alrighty then. Sorry, I keep moving the camera. I couldn't record the screwing in there, but it goes there, it goes there, it's going in the middle. Now I'm gonna hook these up to the power back here. So here we go. All right, so got the back plate on here, then those two wires, got them hooked up to the back of the thing, just like that. Either one will go either way, it doesn't really matter which one's which. And then just pop it back on here and then start doing the programming steps. I'm not going to show you the programming steps because it's really hard to do to record to my phone and do the recording steps on it. But if you need help with it, leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and all that. Love you. Bye.